Whether that's a new Filtrete filter or Bosch and Cobalt power tools, Lowe's has everything you need to feel like the MVP of DIY.
I don't care.
Earn your Sunday. Shop now, in-store and online. Lowe's, official partner of the NFL.
This holiday season, score big on credit cards from KSW Federal Credit Union. Right now, sign up for a KSW Visa card, and you'll get a low annual percentage rate of 6.99% on all purchases. Cash advances made between October 1st and December 31st. Shop for the holidays and save. Apply online today and score big this holiday season with KSW Federal Credit Union. Why not and go fast? Equal opportunity lender membership eligibility required. All the credit terms and conditions apply. Promotion ends December 31st, 2025, and fully insured by the NCUA.
It's me, Flo, here to tell you that with the Progressive Home and Auto Bundle, you get 24/7 protection, so you're covered no matter where the day takes you.
Even I added too much water to the pizza dough day?
Yep.
How about getting a call from my daughter to pick her up at the airport because her boyfriend is unreliable day?
Especially that day.
What about finding out that one of my pipes doesn't reverse in my basement day?
Progressive has every day covered 24/7 with the Home and Auto Bundle. Oh, well, you never want bad days.
I know, that was all the same day.
At least you're covered with Progressive.
Progressive Casualty Insurance Company affiliates of insurance, not available in all states.
You'll hear the radio ads about the IRS. They tell you to be afraid, to be scared, and they try to frighten you into calling. I'm not here to do that. Tax Relief Advocates is different. TRA is here to tell you that if you owe money to the IRS, whether it's $5,000, $50,000, or $500,000, we have a solution. It doesn't matter if you're sitting in your car, at work, or with your kids. No matter where you are, call now. 800-575-1783. Don't lose hope. TRA can eliminate or reduce what you owe to the IRS. Generous programs are now available that can give you a fresh start. Our passion is taxes, and helping individuals fix their IRS problems. Lifetime reviews on Google and an A+ for the better business year. You don't need to be afraid of the IRS. By visiting them online at TRA.com or call 800-575-1783. That's 800-575-1783. Tax Relief Advocates. Real solutions for real people.
Plus qualified for homes results may vary. Looking into better every day when the search disability protection with AAA and Oxford Tuesdays of 2025. Plus, easy for just $279 a month or the full 25 lease